Hello, and welcome to this Extract AI tutorial. In this video, we are going to show you how to extract information from files inside your sub-item file columns. Let's begin. As you can see, inside the sub-items file column, we have an invoice PDF. We are going to extract the invoice ID and address from this file. To do this, we'll go ahead and click on the Add View button, navigate to the Apps section, and add the Extract AI app. Once the Extract AI app is added to the board view, you will see an option to get started with blocks. We'll click on it, and here I'll name it Invoice Details. Then, I'll select the File Upload option, since that's what we are covering in this video. I'll leave the next setting as it is. Then, I'll click on the Sub-Items option, because we are extracting from a sub-item file column. Next, we'll select the specific file column where the invoice file will be uploaded. We'll also choose a status value to trigger this extraction process. I'll select the Done status and click Next. Here, you can see that we already have an address column. Since we already have a column for the address, we can map it directly. We also have a column for the invoice ID, so we'll map that here as well. Then, I'll click Create Block. Now, you can see the webhooks have been created, and the block is successfully saved. Let's see this feature in action. I'll go back to the main table and change the status value to Done. Once I do this, those two fields should automatically populate. I'll click on Done, and you can see the automation is now running. We'll give it a couple of seconds. And there we go. Both the invoice ID and address are now populated right on the board. Give this a try and implement it into your workflows. If you come across any issues, you can always reach out to us for support. Thank you for watching.